Hey everyone, my name is Jeff Jones and I am from theboxman.com, also the Stream Machines YouTube channel, where we take the difficult things of streaming and attempt to help you one video at a time. And in this video, we're going to take a look at how we can make your media device blazing fast in 2026. So let's take a look. All right, guys, we are back. Thank you for tuning in into this short and hopefully informative video. I'm super excited about some things, and good things keep happening, and I guess I should just take them all in. I read somewhere where what a man sows, he also reaps. And it's always been my heart's desire to to sow good things, not only so I can reap good things, but maybe people's lives can be changed. In this video, this is not the first time we're going to take a look at developer options, but one of these three processes that you're going to do, I found out that everyone talks about it, including myself, but the last two are like game changers, and it's one of the best things that we can do. And I have tested it on my Yoka 3 box. It'll work on formula boxes. It'll work on just about any device, that allows you to have developer options. So let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is to activate developer options. So you need to go to the settings part of your device, press the OK button. Then let me get out of this. I'm sorry. Then you want to go up to about here. Once you press OK, you want to go down to the Android TV operating system build. Press that like 7 times. You should see that you're going to become a director or developer. I apologize. Once you do that, go ahead and hit the back button on the remote. Then you're going to go right on down to developer options, highlight that and press OK. The next thing you're going to do is you want to change the animation scale. So you want to zero this out. And the animation scale really does a couple of things. It's going to do this because the result will always give you the elimination of any visual window lag. It creates a very seamless user interface, or the UI. UI means user interface. That way, everything is snaps. It makes it very, very quick. So the first thing you want to do is go down till you see the animations right towards the bottom here, right here. So mine is at 0.5. You can do this. You press OK, turn it off. This one, turn it off. And did I miss one? At the top, window animation, turn it off. That's done right there. Again, it's going to make your user interface, the elements and the panels and the submenus, open up like instantaneously. It makes it very, very quick. All right. The next thing that you want to do is you want to enable a couple of things. You want to be able, in other words, to force hardware rendering. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to go up 1 or 2. As I go up here, you're going to see, I'll go down. Sorry. We're going to go down. Let's come right here. So right here, you want to, it says disable hardware overlays. Always use the GPU for screen compositing. In other words, what this is going to do, this forces the operating system to utilize your device dedicated Mali GPU. So it makes it use your GPU for processing all the 2D interface, because the majority of our stuff uses 2D in the interface. It forces it to run at a higher level. So I'm going to turn this on. And the last thing you want to do is enable 4x MSAA. Okay, you want to do this because this forces the device to open up at a different level in the interface. It will smooth out all the jagged edges on the vector fonts, the icons, and anything you're watching. So it smooths out all of that. So if you're watching a movie or live TV, it will help smooth out some rough edges that you may not see. These are the three things that I have tested, retested, my team has tested, good friends of mine. We always try to find what these options mean because each one of these things do something different. So doing these three things should make very quick. Let me hit the back button. You see how quick that went back, and just like that? In other words, when you change the transition, it makes everything super fast. So if I go to divide, look how fast and snappy that is. If I go here, all the menus are snapping. Everything runs at a higher level. So I thought I'd make this really quick, informative video, let you check it out. And then if you find something that is wrong, or you think it could be better, or if you just let me know that was a good thing, put that in the comments below. I appreciate everyone that you refer to watch this video, including yourself. Hey, my name is Jeff, and I appreciate you on this Sunday afternoon or whenever you're watching this for tuning in to the Stream Machines. Hey, don't keep us a secret. We appreciate your referrals. And if you're interested in some great devices, stay tuned. I'm going to give you all of the links where all of our devices are so you can share it. We give referral gifts, all those things, and we're so appreciative of the support. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.